Difference between error and exception. When it comes to programming, there are two terms that often get thrown around: error and exception. While they may seem interchangeable at first glance, they actually have distinct meanings and uses. In this blog post, we will explore the difference between errors and exceptions and why it's important to understand the distinction. First, let's define our terms. An error is a mistake in code that causes it to fail to execute properly. This could be a syntax error, a typo or incorrect use of a programming language's syntax, a runtime error, an error that occurs while the code is running, or a logical error, an error in the program's logic that causes it to produce unexpected results. An exception, on the other hand, is an event that occurs during the execution of code that disrupts the normal flow of the program. Exceptions are often caused by external factors that the program can't control, such as user input or network issues. When an exception occurs, the program halts normal execution and jumps to a predefined section of code that handles the exception. So why is it important to understand the difference between errors and exceptions? For one, it can help you identify the root cause of a problem more quickly. If you see an error message that says syntax error, for example, you know that there is an issue with the code itself. If you see an exception message that says network error, you know that the problem is likely outside of the code's control. Understanding the difference between errors and exceptions can also help you write better code. By anticipating potential exceptions and designing your code to handle them gracefully, you can make your programs more robust and less likely to fail. Additionally, by carefully handling exceptions when they do occur, you can often prevent catastrophic failures that could otherwise crash your program completely. In summary, errors and exceptions are two distinct concepts in programming that are often used interchangeably. Understanding the difference between them can help you identify and fix problems more quickly, as well as write more robust and reliable code. So the next time you encounter an error or exception in your code, take a moment to think about what's really happening and how best to handle it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.